guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm doing a room tour. Yeah, I'm trying to look, I don't know if I'm looking at the camera or the phone, whatever, so I'm looking like I'm looking directly at you guys, because when I watch my videos I feel like I'm looking there like this, because this is my comfortable like area to look at, but I need to look at you guys. So yeah, this is my homeroom tour, not back at campus one. So I just wanted to make a home edition, and I've done one before in 2019, but doesn't exist in my channel anymore. So yeah, I'm actually giving you guys a proper room tour. It's small, so it's really not much. I hope the video is long enough, but yeah. Start with this side. You can say this side is fairly new, but this picture's always been here, and it's like my artwork I did in high school. And this one also 2019. Damn. Okay, yeah, and these in my November vlog, I recently it came from those typo calendars. They don't do them anymore. I haven't seen a typo calendar. Every time I go to typo and I want those type of cameras, those type of calendars, they don't have it. Like, I don't know if I'm actually looking at you guys. I'm trying to look at my phone, then the actual camera. No, not the phone. I'm trying to look at the camera, then the phone. So I'm looking like I'm looking to you guys directly, because I watch your videos and I'm looking sideways. I'm not really looking at you guys. So it's really hard. It's weird to look at. I don't know if I'm looking at the camera or the phone. My eyes are probably all over the place. Sorry. Yeah, so in my November vlog, I just decided to stick these up because the wall looked kind of plain. Yeah, I wanted some girliness, some pink, you know what I mean? Yeah, and then, yo, this is very old, like, so old. I was probably young. I was probably like, I was still in primary school when we bought this. Yeah, and it was in another house. So this this was in another house. Like, and I was small, like, before we moved here years ago. Years. It's years. It's probably like maybe 12 plus years. That's how old that thing is. And it's still cute. Yeah. Then I'm gonna move on to this section. Kuning is happening here. There's really not, it's just simple. You know, my gym shoes are there. I put my slippers there sometimes. Like, all my clothes are there, you know. Basically, some of these are coming back with me. Yeah, I put rosemary water in this. Let's just hope it doesn't spill in my bag. But you know, you can close it like this, but yeah, let's just hope it doesn't close in my bag. This used to be in my Riz room, the one in I think it was 2023, so 2 years ago. Guys, what? Yeah, it's just paintbrushes, just knickknacks, whatever people say. Why did I say knickknacks? Yeah, and then this is just it broke here, but it's to make the closet here smell nice. Yeah, a fragrance bag, perfect. I just read the thing. We have the LED lights. Yo, it's been like, I think I used to have a video on my channel of me putting up this light. Yeah, and then kuningi, it's a lot. It's a lot to put these, like, you can see it's a lot just to put this thing up. Yeah, like, even my books are on it. Like, kabang kuning is going on. Yeah, so this corner is ignore, but it's organized ignore, you know. Here's my camera bag. And then this is like the spa goodies. I need to sort them out when I'm going back. Then here's my bag. Yeah, really nothing. Like, this is to change the colors of it, and I always keep the default. I like this yellow orange. I think it's orange or yellow, but the green wall just, I don't know. I don't know, it's just like, it's all over the place. Hey, now I ain't getting, but yeah, my friend got me this. It's so cute. This is my album, and decided to put a bow because why not? And then yeah, more of the calendar thing, and then Chelsea, I guess. Yeah, this is the section. Kuning is going on. But I like clutter. Like, it must be organized though. If it's all over the place, I'll go insane. Not the best from this angle, so I'm just gonna say from here. The bed, there's really nothing else to say. One bed there, the mirror. This used to be the kitchen lights in our old house. So I took them years ago. It used to be like it's stored in the storeroom for so long, until like it's stored in the storeroom for so long, because this room, when we got this house, was never existent. Like, this is extended. Yeah. So I was like, oh, I'd like to put this in my new room. And that's like years ago. Years. Maybe before I went to high school. So I'm just realizing how many years these, like, your life is crazy. To think life is crazy. I'm like, it's a miracle 5 years. Oh, girl, it's only, girl, it's been years. But yeah, the bed, really nothing special. I'm just gonna go to the other side. I hope this video is nice, because I feel like I'm all over the place and I don't know what to do in a room tour. Oh, maybe I'll just, my clothes. Really nothing special to say. And underneath the clothes, because I don't have space in this room, I have my easel there. Yeah. Then I am... Did it charge? Oh, okay, it's 100%. I left my power bank because I came back from the gym, so I wanted to charge my power bank. Here is just like my... Like, this is where I watch YouTube. It's probably that side or here. This is where I watch my YouTube. It's really nothing special. Let me just turn the camera around. Yeah, as you can see, usually I have my electronics here. I charge most of my electronics. I have my slippers down there. Damn. Yeah. Bag. And then it continues to it being a study. It's like a tiny study area in my room. The iconic mirror and my Res one. I returned this back home because I just don't want to have too many things back at Res. You know what I mean? Or back, yeah. So I returned this 2 years ago. Like the old Res I returned this. I was like, actually I want to return this back home. Yeah. Yeah. I don't know how else to explain my albums, my K-pop albums. New jeans is at home. Like, not at home, it's at Res. Then my Bible bag, which I recently got. My favorite. This is actually what I'm so obsessed with this. Oh my gosh, I have my devotional and my Bible bag in one go. I just carry it like this. Obsessed. Yeah. That's it, guys. I hope you actually enjoy my small room tour with me. Like, it's probably like, I'm all over the place. Like, what do I say? These are stuff. But yeah, I hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Which emoji should we say today? Comment a pink heart. Yeah. Bye.